Hello everyone, welcome to the Flying Caveman channel. Today we're going to fly on this beautiful A350-900 from Atlanta to Paris. This aircraft's only about 3 years old. This is our route of flight. Sit back and enjoy. Good evening everyone, we're at Atlanta. Catching Air France flight 689 to Paris tonight. It's an Air France A350. We'll be boarding here, it looks like, in about 20-25 minutes. And departing about 30 minutes after that. Looking forward to this flight. I haven't flown Air France for quite some time, and I haven't been through Charles de Gaulle for quite some time. So this ought to be an adventure. Should be arriving in Terminal 2 Echo. Should be departing from Terminal 2 Echo. Should be on a Boeing 777 on Air France down to Dubai to arrive around midnight. I've already had a pretty full day. I'm kind of tired. So once we get on the aircraft, we'll get settled in, get a tour of the seat, and then about an hour later, I think we'll get our dinner, and then I hope to sleep the whole flight after that.
Business class, sir. Thank you. Hello. Hello, sir. Welcome on board. How are you doing today? Doing great. Jay, let you cross on your right, on your left, sorry. Welcome in business class, sir. Thanks. Thank you.
4L.
How are you doing today?
I'm good.
4L. I'll let you cross on your left.
All right.
Welcome in business
Thank
class,
you.
sir. Thank you.
How you doing, sir?
Good evening, sir. Welcome aboard.
Thank you. All right, 4L. This is really nice. How you doing, sir? 4L. Oh, I get to sit behind you and kick your seat the whole way. All right, welcome aboard. We're on Air France flight 689 from Atlanta to Paris. I'm in seat 4L. It's along the window here. I've checked with the crew. They're okay with me videoing as long as I just get myself in my seat, as long as no passengers or no crew are involved here. So we'll try to refrain and do a good job with that. I'll give you a quick tour around the seat here. Got a nice little footwell down here. Looks like it may be a little tight when it comes time to sleeping, but footrest down here. Got a little cabinet here. The storage compartment here was actually pretty spacious. All my cameras and stuff stored in here nicely while I was sleeping. Kept stuff from bouncing around while we were flying around, although this was a very smooth flight. Got your noise cancelling headset up here, bottle of water, remote control for the entertainment center. Got a power adapter down here and a USB port. Plug my stuff in, keep it charged. There is another USB port located right here under the screen. This one actually charged a little better than the one by the electrical outlet, so you've got a couple of options here. Seat controls. Armrest folds down, so you can use it when you're sleeping. You can fold it up and get it out of the way. Has seat controls up here also. Got a light up here. The seat is very comfortable so far. It rolls out flat. A very large entertainment center here. Looks like 18 inches. It's not quite Qatar and Emirates large, I don't think. But it's very nice. A little glare off of it. Got two large windows here. Got a view outside. View of the engine right there. It's kind of awkward over the shoulder there, but you can see it. They've got these neat automatic shades here. Push button, they go down. Push another button, they go up. And over here, you've also got an armrest that folds up while you're sleeping. Folds down while you're awake to make you a little more comfortable. tray table right here. It swings out. It swings around. Looks pretty sturdy. Big enough for a laptop. Get some work done. I'm pretty tired, so I'm probably going to sleep most of this flight after they bring the meal out. Let me break open the Amenity Kit. Let me break open the Amenity Kit and see what we have here. Alright. See what we have in here. Let's see if I'm smart enough to open this. Pen, moisturizing cream there, more moisturizing cream, toothbrush and toothpaste, pair of socks, and some earplugs, and a face mask. That's the Amenity Kit. Alright, we pushed back from the gate, had a rather uneventful taxi out. It did take about 12 to 15 minutes to get out to the runway. We're ready for takeoff now, so here we go. I love getting a menu card when it's mealtime. I had the appetizer and the starter, followed by the braised beef with red wine. It was perfectly prepared, absolutely great for airplane food, and the trio of pastries and the cheese plate complemented the meal. I didn't get a very good chance to video or photo the lie flat bed. It was very comfortable. However, they had already dimmed the lights when I had returned to my seat from the restroom. So let's continue on to the breakfast service. Hoping to get a view of the Eiffel Tower as we arrive today. Looks like it's pretty cloudy out. Let's see what it looks like once we descend down through the clouds. Reese, I'm trying. Looking out the window looks about the same. Hopefully that view will improve.
Interdit de fumer et la cigarette
Alright,
électronique n'est pas
Reese, let's
autorisée.
see what we get.
Nous vous recommandons de garder un
Go
notice
through
de
the
sécurité
clouds, see if
placée
we can get a
devant
picture of the
vous.
Eiffel
En
Tower.
cas d'évacuation, vous devrez laisser tous vos bagages. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be landing shortly. Please fasten and adjust your seatbelt. Please put your seat back fully upright. Stow away your tablet, the cup holder, and your footrest. Disconnect any wire from the in-seat PC or USB socket and open all window blinds. E-cigarettes are not permitted and smoking is prohibited.
Alright, Reese, we're still just a little above the clouds. Let's see what we get here. Got to stare into the sun, it looks like. Go back to the monitor on the camera, I think. Good picture of me. Alright, let's see what we get over here. Gears down. Clouds. Alright, let's see what we get. And come on, Eiffel Tower. Just starting to break out of the clouds here. Don't think we're gonna see it today, sweetie. It's been a pretty good flight. Slept a good portion of the way. The food was excellent.
Madame, Monsieur,
Flight
bienvenue à
attendants were
Paris.
great.
Aéroport Roissy-Charles de
Very
Gaulle.
friendly.
Il est 10h05 en heure locale.
C'est pas bon signe. Merci, pareillement, au revoir. Au revoir, bye bye.
Thank you.
Au revoir, bye bye. Au revoir.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Au revoir. Au revoir. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.
Hey, safe travels, man.
Yeah, thank you. Take care.
Had a wonderful flight today after a long layover in Atlanta. Had about a 7-hour layover in Atlanta. The flight was very comfortable. The crew was great. The food was great. The cabin temperature was just right. I've got about a 3-hour layover here in Paris, and then I'll be on my way down to Dubai, again on Air France. I think Boeing 777 on the next leg. See you in the next video.